Man, what is going on? It's your boy Lem. Listen, I got the most exciting news of this year. I have finally made another milestone in my music career. I am finally endorsed with Collision Drumsticks. Let's go. Just want to tell you a little bit about myself. I'm from the island of Puerto Rico. I love playing music. I've been playing drums since I was 12 years old. I am currently the founder and a drummer of Three Guys Band, Boston's #1 cover band. Make sure that you are following us. I just want to tell you a little bit of why I love this drumsticks. Well, number one, I love the fact that they feel great. I love the length of it. I love the fact that the company is awesome. Customer service is great. And I just want to let you know what I'm going to be doing today. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be playing a cover of the song, but want to let you know, make sure that you put in your order for Collision Sticks because they are awesome. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this cover. Let's go.